Good evening, everyone. This is James at Lock in the Value talking to you today about the wonderful world of crypto. Some of you may have noticed I did a video earlier today going top 5 cryptos for this month. I've changed one. So I've removed that video because, quite frankly, I'm not happy with one of my original picks. I will tell you what it is, obviously, but I wanted to redraft my top 5 and be very crystal clear with what because there's one low cap gem that I want to discuss. So here's the spreadsheet updated as always, smashing it. So I'm very, very pleased with that. Phantom is 111 times up, Zilliqa 27, NEM 18, Theta 11, PokerStarter 10x. All of these doing very, very well, except bloody Grin. As always, Grin is there. Bane of my life. But yeah, we're doing very, very well. A $100 investment for the 26 coins would have netted a return of $26,682. So that would be profit on top of your $2,600. That is not too shabby at all. Right. Quick review of the market. I know I did this earlier, but I'll do it again anyway, just in case, because people did miss the video. Okay, Bitcoin has broken $51,000, which is great news, but it has to break 52,500. That is our area of resistance. If we do not break that and hold above it, there is a chance that Bitcoin will pull back. Okay, that is a serious risk because currently $52,500, between $52,000 and $52,500 is your line of resistance. So if it can't smash that line of resistance, it may bounce back down, and we know that there's sort of the bare potential of down to $42,000. I don't know if we'll get down that low, but it depends very much on if Bitcoin holds above. A big reason for the Bitcoin news is the Bitcoin ETF that CBOE have filed for. A US Bitcoin ETF would be marvelous news. Now, they filed that with the SEC. The SEC can delay their decision by 45 days and then 90 and So they have 240 days to sort of make that decision. So the date works out at October 28th for a definitive yes or no for a US Bitcoin ETF. Now the good news is that obviously the SEC, there is a new man taking over. So Gary Gensler is taking over the SEC. He is actually a fan of cryptocurrency for a change. So that will be beautiful news for us all because, Jesus, we need to see it. We need to see a fan of cryptocurrency because then maybe we start seeing these ETFs getting rolled out. God willing. Let's see. Right, before I get into the top 5, there was a few questions yesterday about the membership program. So the membership program is being launched on my own website. So I'll tell you guys the website tomorrow. In terms of price, people were asking. So it is $39 per month. However, after the launch period, which is between a week and 2 weeks, we're sort of undecided at this point, but probably a week, it will go up to $99 a month. Okay, so $39 for the launch, and that will be per month. Now, in that time, obviously, you'll be getting information about the trades that I make when I make, like in advance of me making them, and you'll see what my portfolio is, and you'll get all information on live courses on any exciting project that I see as a really good investment, like Phantom. Right, now, top five, guys. So, Elrond, you guys know I love Elrond. It's my favorite. I love Elrond. It's brilliant. Look, currently Elrond has had about 33% pullback, sorry, in the last 30 days. At Elrond's peak, we saw Elrond at $214 last month. So it's pulled back about $74. Okay, just over. Sorry. So for it to reach its all-time high again, it has to go up 50%. Okay, I genuinely believe a good month we could see Elrond break 200. if Elrond does break 200, I don't think it will be long before it breaks 250. Elrond is what Ethereum 2.0 should be. It's just a phenomenal project, and we know that. So I feel very excited about Elrond, and I think we could see a good run here. And a 50% pullback, sorry, a 35% pullback. You're looking at getting Elrond on discount at this point. So I think this is going to have a good month. I think this is going to have a good March. Number two. So number two is Umbrella Network. Now, Umbrella Network, the main reason this is number two for me is there's just tons of hype behind Umbrella Network. You know, it's not been launched for all that long, and currently, again, it's at a good discount, but with the amount of hype behind it, and obviously the Polkadot links in there, you know, we're looking at a really exciting sort of Oracle project that's going to tie into Polkadot, and oracles are going to do well. There's a lot of oracles that are going to do very, very well. So seeing how this plays out is going to be very, very exciting. And like I said, you know, in the last 30 days, it reached a sort of peak of $2.62, which is pretty bloody good, right? And to be fair, it got launched. It launched at about $2.62, but we're currently about 43% down on the all-time high. So to reach the all-time high again, we're looking at about 50%, more than 50%, about an 80% gain, 90% gain. So that's pretty good. Okay. So I'm really bullish on Umbrella, because you've got to go with a large part of everything to do with this market is momentum and the circulating narrative around what people are excited about. And Polkadot is going to be one of those things. Polkadot's always one of those things. So Umbrella Network is exciting to me. And the more YouTubers I see talking about it, and the more interviews I see the leaders of Umbrella Network doing, it makes me feel confident that they're really going to push the marketing narrative as well. So, you know, in 14 days, it's secured effectively a market cap of 43 million. So it could do very, very well. Very, very well. Let's do Axie Infinity next. Axie Infinity is my next one. It's at $2.10 right now. Okay. Now, Axie Infinity's all-time high is $2.33. So people might think I'm mad picking this as doing very, very well this month. The reason I am saying it, NFTs. When we're talking about momentum, nothing at the moment has more momentum than NFTs. We're seeing stories about Logan Paul selling $3.5 million worth of art worth of NFTs. You know, we're seeing stories that have come out this week of a person buying a piece of artwork for $1 and selling it for tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of pounds, or dollars rather. Axie Infinity is a big leader in NFTs, and currently it's undervalued. You know, we're ranking at 233rd right now. I think next month it will be well into the top 200. You know, we're not that far from its all-time high, so I could well be wrong, and it might hit the all-time high and bounce back. However, with the hype behind NFTs, I think we can be excited about Axie Infinity, especially given that it's also, you know, one of the few that have gone really hard in Binance. You know, it's got multiple trading pairs in Binance. People are liking this, and I think there's real room for growth here. And NFTs are going to be huge. They're just going to be huge because it's going to be digital cards, digital collectibles, digital art. And Axie Infinity is at the forefront in doing this. Terra is, you know, we know about Terra, but I think Axie Infinity could grow more this month. And I think NFTs are going to grow, like NFT projects are going to grow hard this month. Number 4 is Chainlink. God, I love Chainlink. Listen, Chainlink is at $31.11. It's only $5 off its all-time high so it's only down 15% of its all-time high. Okay, so I might be mad choosing this, but the news that's been rolling out about Chainlink is very, very positive going into the new month. Chainlink's rolled out a system upgrade. The system upgrade is going to reduce gas fees tenfold. Now, whatever you want to say about Chainlink compared to other oracles, that is a huge step in the right direction for an Ethereum network that goddamn needs it. We've got an Ethereum network that is almost universally built upon, and the gas fees are pricing retail investors out the market. If they reduce by a tenth, it is only, and that news itself is only a good thing for Chainlink. But if that actually comes to fruition and we see gas fees reduce, like down tenfold, then we're going to see that impact on all the DeFi, Aave, Compound, Synthetics, Uniswap, Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to have a decent run this month anyway. The reason I'm not choosing Cardano is actually because of this news, because I think this news is going to hype up the Ethereum market cycle somewhat, but I think it's going to hype up the DeFi. If Chainlink starts pumping because it's having such good, because the system upgrades actually reduce the gas fees that dramatically, then synthetics become, and all those DeFi projects become affordable. Uniswap becomes affordable for people that aren't cash rich. So I'm really, really excited about Chainlink. And I think what will happen, and I might be wrong, I may legitimately be very, very wrong, but Cardano's had such a run, and it will have a run, whether it goes to $5 or $7. Some people are starting $10. I'm not sure, 10, but I'd certainly think between 5 and 7 this bull run. And I think that will happen. But I think this month, if we're seeing real positives in the Ethereum ecosystem and the transaction fees, I think some of the money in Cardano will move back to Ethereum. Yeah, because it's not just about people that have faith in a project, it's about people trying to make money and bouncing between the two. Right, my last one is antimatter. Right, I was speaking to someone that took my Udemy course today, and he brought this to my attention. Genuinely, it wasn't on my attention. This is a risk. I will say it out right now. It is launched in the last 24 hours. Okay. What I am really hyped up about antimatter is that it is it's a derivative protocol. And I did a video a while ago where I was talking about the sectors that we should be looking at in terms of investment. And derivatives was a massive one. Look at what happened with Injective Protocol. It was at about $1, and I think it's at $14 today, right? There is real, and Injective Protocol is pretty much the only one that we've seen in derivatives. So, and it's certainly the leader at the moment. But antimatter could really do this. They've got the creator is the team is the creator of Bounce Finance, and you've also got Helmet.insure contributor and the creator of UU Finance. It's been backed by NGC Ventures, Monday Capital. I think this is real. This has got real potential, but it is, and make no mistake about it, it is a risk because it's a brand new coin, 24 hours in. Okay, but it's on, but it's looking to be it's BNB, right? It's a BSC, a Binance Smart Chain, and you better believe Binance Smart Chain is going to do some value here. And I really, really like this. I really, really like this. And if I remember correctly, because I'm trying to blast through this video at the moment, because it's cross-chain, they're looking at both antimatter. Sorry, for antimatter, it's looking at Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain, I believe. But I might be wrong because, like I said, I'm trying to blast through. Let me just see very, very quickly. Where is it? Polkadot. There you go. Polkadot, and Binance, and Huobi's eco chain. Now, I'm less bothered about the Huobi one right now, but I think that will do some good as well. But a Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain derivative. I think this is what I've swapped in. So it's a very small cap gem. And what I took out, by the way, was Alpha Finance. Now, Alpha Finance is another Binance Smart Chain project, which I do like, but I don't think it's going to do as well as antimatter, and that's why I've redone the video. But yeah, so guys, there's my top 5 for March. let's just hope we all wake up and see Bitcoin over $52,500. Anyway, take care and stay safe. And that's it from me. Bye.